Getting cozy with conjunctions and quotation marks. Hello, English explorers. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of conjunctions and quotation marks. This might seem like a tricky topic, but I assure you, with a bit of practice, you will handle it with ease. First off, let's remember what conjunctions and quotation marks are. Conjunctions are words used to connect clauses or sentences. Examples include and, but, or, so, because, and many more. On the other hand, quotation marks are punctuation marks used to quote someone's words, show sarcasm, irony, or emphasize a word or phrase. We often see them like this. Now let's get to the main point, using conjunctions with quotation marks. When a conjunction is used within a quotation, it remains inside the quotation marks. For example, I want to play football, but I have to finish my homework first, John said. Here, the conjunction, but, is part of the quote, so it stays inside the quotation marks. What if the conjunction is connecting an entire quoted sentence with another sentence? In that case, the conjunction stays outside the quotation marks. For example, I can't believe it's already Sunday, she said, and then she went back to her work. The conjunction, and, here connects two independent sentences, hence it stays outside the quotation marks. There could be situations where the quotation marks fall within the conjunctions, particularly with either, or and neither, nor structures. The quotation marks are used individually with each option. For instance, neither fast nor easy would be accurate descriptions of the task. And there you have it, folks. We've explored how to use conjunctions with quotation marks. Keep practicing these rules in your daily English usage and you'll soon be a pro. Always remember that even small details like these can make a big difference in understanding and being understood. Thank you for joining me on this linguistic journey. Until next time, happy learning!